today we're doing a piano song and we're going to play Greensleeves. 2 hands. What do we get? 3 stars. Great job, guys. You did great. See you next time. Like, subscribe, share. And if you think that was a little bit fast or hard, go ahead and slow down the video and replay it. Bye. See you next time. Zuri out. I forgot to tell you guys, did you see this plushie somewhere in the video? It's him again. Remember him? Okay, bye. Tell me soon.